This is a question that often comes up, and people often are of the understanding that if they separate, the children will live with them 50% of the time, with the other parent 50% of the time. And sometimes, arrangements are such that that can happen and the parties might live near each other and that might work very well. But that is not always the case, and that's not something enshrined in law. It's very much a matter of what's in the best interest of these particular children. And it may not always be best for them to live 50% with one parent and 50% with the other parent. Sometimes it would be better for them, certainly depending on where the parents live, and certainly if they don't live very near each other, for them to live more of the time with one parent during the term time, for example, perhaps more of the time with another parent during school holidays, for example. Or it may be that they are with one parent more of the time, but every, for example, Wednesday night they spend with the other parent, and they split the weekends, so they'll have, one weekend with one and one weekend with the other. But then they might sort of then do a different arrangement over the school holidays, and that might be shared more in favour of one parent who the children have not been with so much during term time. There's all sorts of options and arrangements that's going to suit those individual children. There's no rule. It's all about what would be best for them. And that's really important, because 50-50 is not best for all children.